Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn what is journal. It is a first step of accounting. Here I have shown you in the stairs. The first step is journal, second is ledger, third is trial balance, fourth is P&L, and fifth is balance sheet. So for preparing reports, that is balance sheet, the first basic step is to make journal. Journal, I will explain each of them in the coming classes. Today we will learn what is journal. Okay. Now what do you mean by journal actually? The journal is a French word. It is derived from a French word called as jour. Jour means a day book in which we will record all the day-to-day transactions of the business. We will record all the day-to-day transaction of the business. So here, journal entries are how transactions are recorded in the company on a daily basis. For example, I am running ABC Company Limited. So I have some expenses, I have some income, I have some assets, I have some liabilities. So I need to record it somewhere. The art of recording is called as a bookkeeping. Here, recording all financial transaction is called as bookkeeping, and these bookkeeping records all the journal entries. Okay, mainly journal entry means recording day-to-day transaction of the business. Recording day-to-day transactions of the business. Every day or on the day on which financial transaction has been occurred, that day we will record the transaction. Okay, then these transactions will be transferred to ledger. Okay, these transactions will transfer to ledger. Here we can see like this it will go. Whatever we are writing, it will post into the ledger account. Okay, in the further classes I'll explain you what do you mean by ledger. Today we will completely learn about journal. Next, here, then what is the date of transaction? What we will record in the journal is the date of transaction, the transaction, the amount, debit and credit. Okay, and the types. What are the types of journal? There are two types. That is simple journal entries and compound journal entries. So these two are the types of journal entries. We will learn each of them in the further classes. Now I will show how to draw a pro forma for entering the journal entries. Here, this is the pro forma which we need to follow to draw a journal entries. Okay, this is the pro forma how we will draw. So in the first column we are writing the date on which the transaction has been occurred, and here we will enter the transaction, what transaction we have done and what the amount is, debit and credit, as well narration in the sense the description of the transaction. Okay, description of the transaction we will write in the narration. For example, I have purchased. I am writing a question here. Actually we should not write in this box the question, just I am mentioning you purchased goods for cash. I have purchased some goods for cash. Okay, so how I will pass this entry? One entry I will pass and show, then you will understand it. Okay, suppose the date is 1st January 2021 here. So I am purchasing the goods. So purchases is an expense to me. Okay, so as per the nominal account rule, all expenses will come in the debit. So I am writing here purchases account debit to what is going out of the business? Cash. Okay. Purchases account debtor to cash. Suppose I am purchasing a good of 5,000. So debit here I'll write no credit. Here no debit. Here 5,000. Okay. Here this is how we will pass a journal entry. If you have not understood it, I'll explain it once again. First we will look onto the question. Here what he is asking, we have purchased goods for cash. So here goods are asset. Okay, good is an asset and cash is also an asset. We are purchasing it, so expenses. Okay, actually goods is an inventory will not come under asset. Okay, we are purchasing it, so it is an expense for us, and cash is an asset to us. So expenses will come under nominal account and asset will come under real account. So we need to look into the rules. Okay, if you are new to the journal entries, you need to draw this table and keep aside, so as to it will become easy for you to understand how we are mentioning it. Okay, now expenses means debit, asset what is going out of the business is credit. Okay, so purchases account debtor to cash. This is the meaning of journal entry, as well the pro forma how to mention the journal entry. In the next class I will explain the types of journal entry and we will look into the examples also. Thank you. If you have understood the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.